Islamabad, the chief of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf's key ally has advised Prime Minister Imran Khan to stay away from the troublemakers as the differences among the coalition partners widen. Pakistan Muslim League Quaid (PMLQ) President Chaudhry Shujaat Hussain said this while talking to reporters before leaving for Umrah. Those giving wrong advice to Prime Minister Imran Khan should teach him to love allies and stay away from troublemakers, who have done politics of hatred and chaos in every tenure. They should not advocate their narrow interests but keep in mind the larger interests of Pakistan, the former Prime Minister said. He said, "We have entered into alliance with Imran Khan without any greed in the interest of the nation and the country and are sticking to it and will remain doing so." He said that Almighty Allah has blessed me with the privilege of entering the Khana Kaaba thrice, never offered prayers for himself except seeking forgiveness, and even this time will pray for the prosperity of the people. To a question that will he also pray for Imran Khan, Chaudhry Shujaat Hussain said, "Almighty Allah may keep him away from the troublemakers." He said, "I had prayed for the prosperity of the people inside Khana-e-Kaaba and this time will also pray for the people and those who have requested for dua." PMLQ leader Kamil Ali Agha had on Wednesday warned that there would be consequences if PM Imran Khan did not fulfill promises made to the party. If the government fails to control inflation and corruption, it will be difficult for PMLQ to stand by PTI, he said while talking to a private TV channel. Agha added that the top concerns for PMLQ at the moment were inflation and bad governance. "No doubt, we are allies of the government, but we are not ready to pay the price for its wrong decisions," he maintained. In recent weeks, the ruling coalition has been marred by complaints by PTI's almost all allies, alleging that the commitments and promises made with them were not being fulfilled. MQMP's Dr. Khalid Makbul Siddiqui had tendered resignation as Minister for Information Technology early last month. PM Imran Khan had rushed senior leaders for meetings with the MQMP and PMLQ as well as the Grand Democratic Alliance in recent days and then formed 3 committees to interact with allies and ensure that there occurred no gaps, which might disturb the mutual working relationship.